So the black lines on the mat plays very important role when you are working on the challenge. So some places you have to take the reference of the black line, some places you have to follow the black line, but it is not mandatory that you have to follow the line all the places. So you can take a call based on the challenge, based on the strategy what you have set, if you have to follow the line or not. So for that, I have connected the color sensor in the center of my robot, in the front part of that. And you have to make sure when you are connecting, it should be in the front of the robot. It should not be very near to the wheel. And here I have used only one color sensor to follow the black line in the reflected light mode. But if you want to use two color sensors or multiple color sensors, you can use to follow the black line. So if you use one color sensor, then it will follow the edge of the black line. So if it could follow the right edge or the left edge. So, but when you use two color sensors, then it will follow the center of the line. So basically the right color sensor will follow the right edge and the left will be on the left edge. So like that. So based on your strategy, what you have set, take a call how you want to make a black line following robot, and you can use in your robot and the coding. Thank you.